What if one 3-digit number could decide whether you get a house, a car, or even a job? In the United States, that number is your credit score, and today you'll learn exactly what a good credit score really is. In the USA, credit scores usually range from 300 to 850. The higher your score, the more trustworthy you look to lenders, banks, and even landlords. Here's how credit scores are ranked in the US. 300 to 579, poor 580 to 669, fair 670 to 739, good 740 to 799, very good, 800 to 850, excellent. A good credit score starts at 670. This is a point where lenders begin to trust you. With a score of 670 or higher, you can qualify for lower interest rates, better credit cards, cheaper car loans, and easier apartment approvals. A score above 740 can save you thousands of dollars in interest over time. Your credit score is based on 5 main factors: payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, credit mix, new credit inquiries. Paying bills on time and keeping credit card usage below 30% are the fastest ways to improve your score. So remember, in the USA, a good credit score is 670 or higher, but the higher you go, the more financial power you unlock. Follow for more simple money tips and take control of your credit today.